In this video today, we're going to talk about the Kingston real estate market for the month of April. We're going to look at average sale price, transactions, and much more. Without further ado, let's get into it. There were 166 residential transactions in Kingston for the month of April. That's up from the 129 that we had in March. Year to date, we're sitting at 463 transactions, and that's down 10% over the same time period last year. Homes on average stayed on the market for 29 days in the month of April. That's down from the 33 that we had in March. Year to date, we're sitting at an average days on market of 36 days, and that's slightly up 3% over the same time period last year. Last month, we had an average sale price of $631,000. That's down from the $675,000 that we had in March. Year to date, we're sitting at an average sale price of $630,000, and that's the same as what we had at this point last year. We finished April with 4 months worth of inventory. That's about the same as what we had in March. Year to date, we're sitting at an average of 4 months worth of inventory, and that's slightly up from the 3 months that we had at this time last year. Despite the noticeable uptick in transactions from March to April, we are down 10% over the same time period last year, which is somewhat surprising given that there's a decent amount of momentum in the marketplace. Homes are still selling, average sale price is staying pretty consistent. We're not seeing a huge increase in inventory. So the remainder of spring remains to be seen as to how everything turns out with the recent political changes, tariffs, interest rates, and all that. So let's see what happens. See you next month, and thanks for watching.